There you go. It looks amazing.
These local residents are getting to experience the best products, services, and entertainment for families. It's all a part of the Family Expo of America held here at the Prudential Center in Newark, New Jersey.
Well, today is the Family Expo of America, our first one of many. It's a great family event for families to come out and get information, as well as play games, do bounce house, face painting, and everything.
The event featured over 30 vendors from around the New Jersey area. Attendees got to jump around in this bounce house, show off their talents in front of the crowd, and even get a dental checkup. Shantae Rich and Angel Ward were pleased with the turnout for this event.
You can't go to any event nowadays for free, so we wanted to do something where people can come and have an event for free and have fun without having to pay, but the children can have something to do on a Saturday without having to pay an arm and a leg.
And to strengthen the family bond.
And I'm going to get my special pen.
Among the vendors at the Family Expo were Dibble and Dabble from Carteret, New Jersey. The company's CEO, Edie Gardner, led attendees through the creation of a pinwheel and were hands down one of the more popular booths at the event.
Dibble and Dabble Creativity Center, it represents what its name says, a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and a whole lot of fun for everyone. We cater to all ages. It's arts and crafts, pottery painting, and canvas painting, from children, infants, all the way up to seniors.
Edie and her team work hard creating fun activities like this one in order to boost a child's self-esteem and teach them to make something they can be proud of. In addition to the pinwheel, visiting children got to leave their mark on this canvas, which the employees of Dibble and Dabble were excited to see.
Whenever family comes together, it's a wonderful thing. And we are a family-oriented art studio. So just this event, the Family Expo of America, it was perfect for us because it gives us a chance to meet the community, to meet the families, the moms, the dads, the grandparents, and especially the kids, because it's all about the kids. But as long as you're managing, you can't do freestyle. No freestyle.
As the event reached just its second hour, residents continued to flock to the Prudential Center to see the hard work done here by Angel, Shantae, and the other organizers. No booth was without a crowd of people surrounding it, which proves the event was a huge success.
The turnout was absolutely amazing. I anticipated a good event, but what I encountered was an outstanding, great event. There's family members, diverse cultures, everybody coming together to celebrate things that take place in the area for families. Wonderful.
For more information about the Family Expo of America and to find out when the next event is happening, visit their website at www.thefamilyexpo.com or call 201-725-8989.
Well, it's definitely a lot of hard work, a lot of planning, a lot of sleepless nights, but in the end, it is all worth it. To see the children happy and run around and playing and enjoying themselves, it makes us feel really good.